I'm gonna share with you the biggest mistake that you can make with your car insurance and how to fix it today. Really important. Quick story. A woman, 43 years old, just driving along down a rural highway, and another car crosses over from the opposite lane and hits her dead on. Horrible wreck. Her legs are mangled. It's a terrible wreck. She has 3 operations, severely disabled, difficulty walking. Here's the problem. The other driver has $50,000 of insurance for bodily injury, and that's not nearly enough to cover her injuries. But here's the thing. On her policy, she has what's called supplementary motorist coverage. And what is that? It means underinsurance. So if the other vehicle has lower limits of insurance than you have, so let's say that they've got 50,000 and she had $1 million, you can recover the 50,000 from the other driver and then recover an additional 950,000 from your own auto policy. That's called underinsurance. Now, why do people not get underinsurance? It's optional in New York State. They don't get it because they're trying to save money. It's dirt cheap. So you get the underinsurance coverage for maybe like $100 a year or something like that, and it will provide you with basically all the coverage that you need in the event that you are catastrophically injured. It's critically important to max out your underinsurance coverage. Okay, now, if you have, let's say, 300,000 or 100,000, your underinsurance coverage cannot exceed the amount of your liability coverage. So if you've got $100,000 of liability insurance for bodily injury, that means your underinsurance cannot exceed that number. So here's what I recommend. Max out all of your deductibles, the highest you can make it. If you can max out your deductible to $5,000, do that. You'll reduce the premium. Use the money from the reduced premium to increase your liability limits, but also max out your underinsurance coverage. Call your insurance agent today. Tell them, I want to max out my underinsurance coverage and I want to increase my liability limits for bodily injury. Because if you get in a wreck, a horrendous wreck, you may be subject to the minimum insurance in New York is $25,000. You don't want that. You want to have as much underinsurance coverage as you can possibly have. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you write a comment, I'll respond, and we'll see you next time.